What's going on, everybody? Talk to me, I'll talk back. It's the hottest options of the day going down right now. First banger on the list, we got Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. You guys, Microsoft has been killing it the last couple weeks, man. If you take a look at it, just last on the 29th on Friday, a little over a week ago, we were down at 419. Now we're all the way up, got to the highs of 448 today. You guys, looking at Microsoft, if you can't see the pattern already going down, it's right here. Check it out. Look, Microsoft wants to continuously get to, right? It wants to get to a Fibonacci level, ride it, and explode. It's done that pattern once, twice, and now it's starting it again. And so going into tomorrow and going into Wednesday, you guys, I'm looking for Microsoft to repeat this pattern. If Microsoft can repeat this pattern one more time, then I am a rider of the calls, and I think it could go far. I think it could go high. I think it can go all the way up to 452. If we zoom out on our charts real quick, we can see the last time Microsoft was actually at these levels. And it looks like Microsoft hasn't been at these levels, you guys, since June of 2024. So it's been quite some time. It's been 6 months, right, since it's got up here. And once it gets up here, she likes to stay up there, right? She likes to stay up there. She stayed up there for at least a week, and she shot up from there all the way to the highs. Her high is 469. So going into this week, you guys, that's what we want to see. We want to see Microsoft come out tomorrow, close a 4-hour candle above the 445. Start a 1-hour candle or a 4-hour candle in a high bullish direction above that 445. Hell, if it can close tonight and open up above what it closed at last night, you guys, man, Microsoft can go to the moon. Microsoft can go to the moon. It's $37 away. What is it? $34, $24 away from its all-time high, you guys. It's right there. It's right there. So be looking at Microsoft, you guys, going into tomorrow. Next banger on the list, I know you want to hear it. Tesla. Hey, put some money in the chat if you got this, you guys. We called this out. We've been calling this out, right? We've seen Tesla at the 352. I told you guys this morning, watch Tesla come retest a 383 level. She came and she retested it, right? She came down, she retested at 378, and from there shot all the way back up to 393, you guys. Tesla, man, Tesla's looking bullish. I'm not gonna lie. It's clearly it's overbought, right? Clearly it's overbought on the MACD. Our RSI is a little high for the 1 hour. But on that 30-minute, guys, on that 15-minute, you know, she's just taking off. She's just taking off. And so tomorrow, if Tesla retests the 404 in the pre-market, I think you get ready because she's going to do the same thing she did today. I don't think there's enough momentum right now. But what I will say is this, is if we come into the pre-market tomorrow and Tesla closes above that and she gets above that 405 and she holds above that 405, you're ready because Tesla's coming to the moon. She's going to come up to the moon with Microsoft. Look at this level. It's out there extended. It is extended. When you look at it, it is extended. I ain't going to lie. But, man, is she bullish. You got Elon Musk in the White House. That stuff's just weeks away. Be looking at Tesla, you guys. I called that call option today at 383, so I got in pretty early. I got in pretty low. You guys, if that option comes available tomorrow, I suggest you to get in because it's showing support, right? Once, twice, you know, multiple times it's rode this, right? It's been supported by this 8-day EMA all the way up. All the way up, right? So until we break that, then we're going to stay bullish on Tesla, you guys. We're going to stay bullish on Tesla. Target entry for Tesla for anybody tomorrow. I would give you guys a target entry on 383. I would say wait. Right now, in between 390 and 400, it's just a zone. It's a zone that you could get liquidated at, you know, because if it drops down to 378 and you didn't have it already that low, well, you just lost out on all your money. If not, you know, depending on how much you put in your option, you take a $200 option all the way down to $40, $30 with that type of volatility, you guys. So you got to be careful. Target entries are so important when you're getting into this game. If you don't have an entry plan and an exit plan, then you need to replan everything. I'm telling you that now. Shout out to Tesla, man. Been killing it. We appreciate the money we're making off you. That's for sure. Next banger on the list, you guys know it, Nvidia. Nvidia, you guys, I know Nvidia is disappointing everyone since it hit the 145. It bounced clean off the 132, right? And then it bounced even cleaner off that 140. And I've been screaming this 140 level. And I know, you know, that it broke the 140 level today. And I said that if it broke the 140 level, that it would be a bad thing for Nvidia. It would be a bad sign for Nvidia. But it looks like it's getting some support. It looks like it's getting some buyback, right? It hit our 200-day EMA, and now we can just see where it goes from there. Last time it hit the 200-day EMA, guys, don't be scared, because the last time it hit the 200-day EMA, it shot. It shot from the lows of 135 all the way up, you guys. It shot up. What is that, in a week? From Wednesday to the following Wednesday, it shot up almost $10. And that's good options money. And that's what we're doing on this channel, right? We're here to play options. That's what we're doing. That's what the channel's called. Today's hottest options. We want the hottest options. And tomorrow, if Nvidia breaks this, if it breaks this 137, if it can't hold this 137 and it breaks that, oh, you can best believe, just like it's done before in the past, it's coming down to retest this 132. It's done it once, and it'll do it again, right? Retested it then, right? Came down here. It was supported by the 50 at that time, but now we're good. We're in good levels. Now we need to see a real big push, and I believe that that's what we're going to see when you go into Nvidia. I do. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm bullish on Nvidia. I feel like Nvidia is been in the background, you know, creeping. I mean, clearly it's always in the main front, right? But over the course of the last couple of weeks, you've had guys like Amazon go crazy, Apple go crazy, Microsoft go crazy. So Nvidia's just been sleeping. In my opinion, I feel like this was just a way to reset the indicators. So going into tomorrow, I'm still bullish on Nvidia until I see it break down. Till I see it really break down and break that 136 level, that 136 Fibonacci. If I see it break that, then I'll say, okay, all right, I'm not bullish on Nvidia until I see it rise up again. But this is the best time to get in, right, guys? These levels right here are the best time to get in for calls, you know? If a stock has shown you in history, it's shown you, hey, we've got off this level multiple times. Look, we've got off this level multiple times, right? Multiple times. Right, then, and if this is a higher low, right? Look at this. Sorry about that. Right, look at this right here, right? Oh look, let's take that away. Let's get something else on it. Let's get a little something cleaner on it. Right, look at that right there. Right, and that mark right there, right? You guys can see it plain as day. That's a high, you know what I mean? If this is coming off, right? If this is coming off, right, and this is the lower high, and this is a lower high, hell, we could go even higher on this next push. We could go even higher on this next push as we try to take this, right? Take all this buy pressure, right, from here, and we try to use that buy pressure to push and try to break past that 148. Right? Break past that 145. As long as we're under the trend line, it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough, but that's why I said I feel like Nvidia has been sleeper. I feel like Nvidia is a stock that on one of these mornings, you're going to wake up and it's going to crack the 152 and it's going to crack the 155 and it's going to be 175, 180 because technology is moving. You guys have been seeing what's going on with the quantum stocks. You've been seeing what's going on with IonQ, Qubits, QUBT, RGTI. You see what's going on with these companies. Well, hey, guess what? You can go to the companies, guys. These companies are bought up by NVIDIA. They're bought into. So, you know, NVIDIA's invested in them, and NVIDIA has quantum computer technology, and that's why they're ahead of the game, right? So, you know, really be looking to that. I'm telling you, NVIDIA, if it takes this week to come on down to some better buy ranges, I'm okay with that. Because anytime NVIDIA comes down between 130 and 140, I'm buying that in my retirement portfolio every time. As much money as I got to allocate towards that when it's in that range, I'll take it. I'll take it, right? Great investment. NVIDIA is a great company, not just because they've had amazing runs, but because they are statistically a great company, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be ready. I'll be dropping the shorts. And if you want to get access to 24/7 trading, you want to get access to the livest community that's growing and building and full of guys dedicated to not only making money, but creating opportunity, then the link's in the bio, man. Banking with Billy is a great friend of mine, and he's a great mentor, and the community that he's developed and built is outstanding. We would love to have y'all in there. My name's Tevin. I'll holla at y'all later. Peace.